Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today let us learn about an Ayurvedic herbal oil for neurological conditions, that is Sudhabala Thailam. Uses of Sudhabala Thaila: it is used in the treatment of neurological conditions like hemiplegia, paraplegia, neuralgia, etc. It is used both for external application and for oral administration. Usage of Sudhabala Thailam: externally, it is used for massage, enema, oil pouring therapy, and such other panchakarma and upakarma therapies. Seek medical advice before its oral usage. Usually, it is administered in a dose of 2 to 3 drops once or twice a day before food with lukewarm water. It is available in 3 or 7 avartis. Avarti is the repeated processing of herbal oil to improve its efficacy and potency. Ingredients of Sudhabala Thailam: Bala Mula, that is root of Sida cordifolia. It is a best herb used for balancing Vata dosha. It rejuvenates nerves and relieves pain and strengthens muscles and bone. Sesame oil, Bala Mula Kashaya, that is decoction of Bala root and cow milk. Its shloka says, Bala Mulat Bala Shatam, Kuttayitva Jale Pachit, Chaturbhavava Shishte Asmin, Tat Kalkam Dashabhihi Palahi, Tailadakam Vipaktavyam, Dviguna Shira Samyutam. Etat Shuddha Bala Thailam, Vata Roga Vinashanam. Its reference is Sahasra Yoga, Thaila Yoga Prakaranam. Side effects of Sudhabala Thaila: it is best to use this medicine under medical supervision. It is manufactured by Arya Vaidashala, Kottakkal, Kairali, Deshiya Ayurvedic Pharmacy, etc. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.